This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both devices share the same Microsoft account and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Open Phone Link on the PC and the Link to Windows app on the phone. Once done, tap Pair a new device on the phone and choose your PC from the list. This initiates Bluetooth pairing and a secure handshake. Make sure to allow any permission prompts for contacts, SMS, and media access so the apps can communicate properly and list available features. Once the pairing PIN appears, confirm it on both the phone and PC to finalize the Bluetooth link. After pairing, you must accept permissions, notifications, SMS, and contact access. These allow PhoneLink to show messages and calls. Make sure to enable background activity and exempt the Link app from aggressive battery optimizations on the phone so the connection stays alive. After permissions, the PC app will scan for features. Expect a short sync as your messages, recent photos, and call logs populate. You finish by testing core features. Send a message from PhoneLink, place a call, and open a recent photo to verify permissions and media access. If something fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then restart both devices. This clears transient network or Bluetooth states. Make sure battery saver is off and the app can run in background. If issues persist, unpair and repair or reinstall the PhoneLink and Link to Windows apps. This resets permissions and often resolves stubborn sync or pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.